to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can achieve spa quality facial in the comfort of your home. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to use a hot face towel and just tap on the face for a few seconds. Just to help soften any dead skin cells before you start applying other products. Okay, after that I'm going to apply oil on the skin, but this is optional. This oil is called Rosehip Oil. So what this oil usually does is it moisturizes your skin, it's anti-aging, it brightens skin, and it promotes healing. It also fights acne, which is the reason why I really like it. So I'm just going to apply it on the face for now for a few seconds, but it's optional. Usually for people with dry skin, since it's very moisturizing. So whenever you're doing facial, please try and work on your neck as well. Do not avoid the neck area. It's very important. Apply it all over. Then you wipe it off with warm, wet towel. The next step is a facial cleanser. So the cleanser, make sure you apply cleanser on a wet face. Make sure your face is very wet before you apply it, this cleanser. So you work on your neck, even on your decollete as well. So you work it for about, at least about a minute or so. Try and avoid your eye area because it's very delicate. So all you need is just one pump of your cleanser. And you cleanse it out, wipe it off with warm towel, wet towel. Do not use hot water on your skin because hot water dries your skin out. It dries the moisture on your skin and it rids you of the natural oil on your skin, which you need for your skin to retain good texture and glow. So after wiping off, you wet your face again. Make sure your face is really wet, and then you use the exfoliating brush and work your face in a circular motion. Make sure your face is wet while you're using this brush. And this brush is optional. But for especially people with oily skin and combination skin or normal skin or dry skin, this is very good for you. So exfoliating brush, what it does is it helps to improve circulation on your skin, and it helps to soften any pigmentation on your skin like acne or scars and any dead skin cells as well. So use the brush for about 45 seconds, not too long. It's called exfoliating brush. You can get it anywhere. Just go on online and you can get it there. You lather your face with a facial scrub. Facial scrub is very good. An exfoliating scrub is very good for your skin because it helps to get rid of dead skin cells. It helps you fight anti-aging, and if you have any old scar on your face, it will help to lighten it as well. Basically, it keeps your skin glowing and to retain the good texture for a very long time. So it's something you use. I recommend you scrub your skin at least two to 3 times a week. So you scrub it for about 45 seconds. Work your way very well on this. Work your hand properly and try not to avoid the neck area. Exfoliating your skin works wonders on your skin. If it's something that you're not used to and you've not been doing, I advise you start doing it as soon as possible. So when it comes to skincare and looking after your skin, I always recommend once you clock that age of 25, you really need to start looking after your skin more than you are doing in your early years. After exfoliating your skin, this is a facial peel, but it's optional. I recommend facial peel when you're doing a deep cleansing facial like this. The reason is because facial peel cleanses deeper. It works deeper on the dead skin cells, and it's very good for someone, especially if you have oily or dry skin. It helps to reduce clog pores as well, and basically it removes dead skin cells. And when you remove dead skin cells on your skin, it allows the new cells to come out, which is what keeps your skin from glowing and looking young by day. So as you can see, those white patches coming out there, white debris, are all dead skin. So for some of the products that I'm using today, if you follow my link, the link on this video, I'm going to list all the product out. If it's something that interests you that you want to purchase. So for 20 seconds, use the peel for about 20 seconds. For those of you that have been to my skincare class, I always recommend not to scrub your skin for too long. Yes, your skin needs exfoliating, but if you scrub it for too long, if you exfoliate it for too long, what happens is you're getting rid of the natural oil on your skin, and you're causing your skin to dry out, and it's going to break you out as well and make your skin look very dull, and it also ages you very quick. So when you're using any exfoliating products, don't use it for very long time. The highest is like 45 minutes to 45 to 1 minute, 45 seconds to 1 minute. That's all you need. The next thing I'm gonna apply is facial mask. So if you watch me, anytime I'm doing this, I always start from the neck. So this mask is clay mask. I love clay mask. The reason why I love it is because clay mask is very good for, because I have a combination skin. So it's very good for people with combination skin. So what it does is, it's very purifying. It draws out the impurities on your skin. So let's say you have too much oil. You know, people with oil, they produce a lot of sebum. So what it does is help to reduce that overproduction of sebum. And if you have acne as well, clay mask reduces the appearance of acne scar that you may have. Regular use of it, because when it comes to skincare, it's always advisable that you are consistent. You cannot have good skin doesn't come with it doesn't happen overnight. It's something you have to do regularly, at least 2 or 3 times a week, and you'll get good results. So we are going to leave the mask on her face for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to wash the video of the mask off now. Cleaning off any clay mask. Make sure you clean it off properly, because if you don't clean it off, you leave it like that, your face may turn white. So make sure you clean it off properly, so that you're not leaving any remaining product on your face. Clean it off. Clean it off with a warm wet cloth. Always work with a warm wet cloth, not hot. So after that, you this is toner. You apply the toner on the face. So what toner does on the skin is it helps to close the pores, because after when you are exfoliating, all the pores on your skin is open. So the toner is going to help to close the pores and to remove any remaining dirt on your face. So sometimes it's optional, depending on how busy you are. You can leave the toner on your face for like maybe 1 minute after applying it. Next thing, guys, is serum. So if you watch me when I'm applying any cream moisturizer, especially on the neck, I do it in an upward direction. The reason is because when you're pushing your skin down, when you're doing it in the downward direction, you're pushing your skin down, and you're kind of dragging your skin down, and it's not good. It can wrinkle your skin or sag, cause your skin to sag. So you make sure you apply it in an upward direction, and when you get up, you do it in a circular motion. Okay? The next thing, guys, is moisturizer. So you dab the moisturizer. Don't apply the moisturizer on the palm of your hand and rub it, because when you do that, all the products are like on your hand, so you won't have enough time to put on your face. So you dab it on your skin first before you now apply all over with your hand, and make sure the product dissolves on your face. So like there's no traces of it or dissolve, and you do it in an upward direction as well. So guys, that's the facial done. Once you do this regularly, 2 to 3 times a week, you're going to achieve a glowing skin, and your skin will become very, very youthful looking, and if you have any wrinkles or fine lines on your face, it's going to reduce it. So guys, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button and notification button for any upcoming videos, and share this video and comment on it. Thank you very much. Bye.